Hello, good learners, and welcome back to another mini lesson on mathematics. Today we're going to solve some problems and do some exercises regarding comparing numbers. Remember, the previous video talked about comparing numbers, and there were four very important key concept words, which were compare, is less than, is greater than, and is equal to. Remember, we are going to use these three concepts to do some exercise and solve some problems. Remember, we are going to study page 12, okay? And we are going to start from number 3. Compare the numbers. We have two numbers here, okay? Write smaller than, bigger than, or is equal to for each of them. Now, look at this number. We have 68, and we have 98. So I'm going to write as smaller than. We're going to read from the left. Remember, we're going to read from the left. 68 is smaller than 98. 68 is smaller than 98. Very good. Exercise number 4. We have, the number is 1411. And here we have 1421. So which one is bigger? The thousand spot is equal. Look, we have 1 and we have 1. The 100 spot is again equal. But in the tens position, the tens spot, we have 1. Here we have 2 tens. Here we have 1 10. Okay, so again we say 1411 is smaller than 1421. Remember, the thousand spot in both numbers are equal. The hundreds spot in both numbers are equal, but what is different in them is the 10 spot, and this makes it smaller than this one. Very good. Now let's come to this part, practice and problem solving. Practice and problem solving. Compare the numbers, write smaller than, greater than, or is equal for each of the circles between the two numbers. Now we have number, on the left side we have 92, and on the right side we have 83. Now we have a place value chart. Here the tens are, look, this number the tens is 9, and here we have 8. So this number is greater than this one. I will say 92 is greater than 83. Very good. And here the number in exercise 6, the number is 101 on the left side and 110 on the right side. Okay, the hundreds are equal, but the tens are different. Okay, we don't have any tens here, and we have 110 here. So we say 101 is smaller than 110. Very good. Moving on to exercise number 7. Here we have, on the left side is 428. On the right side we have the number 438. Look, the 100 spot is equal in both cases, in both numbers, 4 and 4, but a 10 spot is different. Here we have 3 tens, and here we have only 2 tens. So which one is bigger? This one. And which one is less? This is this one. We're going to say, look how I read it. 428 is smaller than 438. Okay? Now let's come down to exercise number 8. Remember, we are going to write is less than, is greater than, or is equal for each of the circles in between them. Which number is greater and which number is smaller? Look, we have 629, and here we have 631. Look at the 100 spot. In both numbers, the 100 spot is 6. Now what about the 10 spot? Here we have 2, and here we have 3. Okay, so inevitably, we say 629 is smaller than 631. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's move on to exercise number 9. Our number on the left side is 2412, and our number on the right side is 2412. Uh-oh. They look similar, are they? Yes, of course, because guys, look, on the thousand spot we have to on both numbers, okay? And on the hundred spot we have 4 in both sides, okay? And on the 10 spot the same, on the 1 spot again the same. So we are going to write is equal to, okay? Is equal to. So 2412 is equal to 4412. Fantastic. Let's move on to exercise number 10. The number on the left side is 894, and the number on the right side is 2134. You know, the numbers are different in digits. Here we have 4 digits, here we have 1 digit. Sorry, 3 digits. So we say 894 is less than 2139. Fantastic. Now, exercise 11. On the right side we have 402, and on the left side we have 128 plus 274. Okay? Look, on the left side we have 402, on the left side we have 128 plus 274. We're going to add these two together and see if the number becomes less than this one or is greater than this one. 128 plus 274 is equal to what? Let's count. 200, 374, 84, 94, can you count it? Do it. I'll give you a couple of seconds, okay? All right. The sum of these two numbers is equal to 402. Look, we have 402. And here we have 402. That means they are equal. So 402 is equal to 128 plus 274. Very good. And now this number. On the left side we have 5,000. No, it's not 1,000. Careful. 500, 537, and here we have 52 plus 475. We're going to add these two together and see if the sum of them is less than this one, or is greater than one, or is equal to this one. I'll give you a couple of seconds and you add it, then you tell me. Very good. The sum of these two numbers is equal to 527. Okay, so look, we have 527 and here we have 537. We have 500s in both cases, and we have 3 tens here and 2 tens here. So we say 537 is bigger than or is greater than 52 plus 475. Very good. Moving on to the next one, to exercise 13, and we have the number 442 on the left side and 344 minus 301, and I'll give you a couple of seconds to do it. Okay, so 344 minus 301 is equal to 1, is equal to 43. Okay, is equal to 43. And now, which number is greater, 442 or 43? Of course, this one, 442 is greater than 43. Very good. Now let's come to exercise 14 and let's find out which number is greater, greater, or which number is less, or let's find out if they're equal or not. On the left side we have 3,425. On the right side we have 3,799. Look in the thousand spot. Both numbers have equal digit, and here we have 7 tens and 7 hundreds, and here we have 4 hundreds. So we say 3,425 is less than 3,799. Very good. Moving on to the last one, which is exercise 15. On the left side we have 5,712, and on the right side we have 5,412. Look, in the thousand spot they're equal, okay, 5 5. In the 10 spot they're equal, and in the 1 spot they're equal, but they're only different in the 100 spot. And here we have 700s, and here we have 400s, and this makes it greater than this one. We say 5,712 is greater than 5,412, and that's it. Good job, you nicely did it. Thank you for watching, and until the next lesson, goodbye.